Bottom line is this: imposing the cost of actual or potential copyright liability on the creators of AI models will either kill or significantly hamper their development, Andreessen Horowitz warned. And claim the generative AI programs represent new computer computing paradigm that could be as transformative as the microchip, and that applying existing copyright laws to it would threaten America's place as the leader in global AI development. Ironically, when a human fucking being engages in fair use by these algorithmic assholes, it's a fucking problem. Don't bother to create a recontextualized content promotional platform that sends satoshis to the rights holders all that content in. Instead, strangle expression, fucking stupid losers. But when McClellan videos does it though, copyright issues. When Sam Altman does it though, or Mark Andreessen, they're crying about having to negotiate with rights holders to make trillions from. Meanwhile, McClellan Videos is just sharing an ironic songs chorus on YouTube. Doesn't even try to monetize it. And it's banned around the globe. I say to you, what the fucking heck? Yeah?